Hello guys, and welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to write thoughtful thank you notes for clients using ChatGPT. This simple step can strengthen your business relationships and leaves a lasting positive impression. Let's get started. Thank you notes are a powerful way to express appreciation and build trust with your clients. With ChatGPT, you can quickly craft personalized and personal professional messages tailored to different situations like after a purchase, a meeting, or a successful project. Begin by opening ChatGPT and logging in. In the chat box, enter a prompt such as write a professional thank you note for a client who just completed a purchase, or create a thank you email template for clients after a project completion. Be specific about the occasion and tone you want, warm, formal, or casual. ChatGPT will generate a well-written note that includes genuine gratitude, mention of the specific service or product, and an invitation to stay in touch or continue working together. You can then customize these messages by adding client's name or particular details to make them more personal. Sending thank you notes not only shows professionalism but also encourages repeat business and positive referrals. Using ChatGPT saves time while helping you maintain a consistent and sincere communication style. And that's that, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.